Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a fun and creative DIY using our old nail products. We will be creating a unique design using a matte top coat. Yes, you heard that. To start, apply your first layer of gel polish and cure it for 30 seconds. Follow up with a second layer of gel polish and cure it for 60 seconds. Once cured, it's time to create our custom matte mixture. Using a nail art tool, mix 1 drop of black gel polish with 2 drops of shiny top coat. Blend the mixture evenly until you achieve a consistent color. Now, apply this mixture to your nails just like you would apply gel polish. Without curing, take a few drops of matte top coat onto a nail plate. Using a dotting tool, create your desired design. In my case, I opted for a simple yet elegant dotted design. I placed 4 dots in a diagonal pattern to create a mini vise effect. You have the freedom to choose your own design for this DIY project, whether it's your favorite design or something new. The possibilities are endless. I have opted for a simple design for today's tutorial. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to cure it under UV light for 30 seconds. This ensures that the gel polish sets and stay in place. Next, apply the top coat evenly to seal your design and add a glossy finish. Cure the top coat under UV light for another 30 seconds to complete the process. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, I would appreciate if you would like, share and subscribe to my channel. Once done, now take a moment to admire your nail. The result is beautiful, simple and elegant design achieved in just a few easy steps. Thank you for your support and let's keep learning and growing together.